When you play with your brother, you're calling him names. So this is where huddle would come into place. And this is where building those connection points between the two. Because what this tells me, what we know about behavior, is that all behavior is communication. So it tells me that the 8-year-old is trying to tell the 11-year-old something, but does not know how, and is reverting to words like mean and blaming and calling him names because she is feeling some sort of frustration that she's not able to work out. So the first source of context here would be going to the 8-year-old and saying, hey, so I noticed that when you play with your brother, you're calling him names. You're calling him names, you're telling him he's mean, and I don't know why. Can you help me understand what's happening? Well, he doesn't want to play with me. Oh, so you'd like to play with your brother? Yes, but he never wants to. He always says that he's busy. Okay. Right? So I don't know how that situation is going to play out with the siblings, but that's how it could go. Now you're open for a discussion to say, okay, what could you do when you want to play with him, but he's not ready? Then once you have that conversation with the daughter, you can then go to the other child, the brother, and say, okay, so I talked to your sister and she's having a really hard time playing with you. She feels like you're never available to play with her. And once you've set up huddles, it's going to be really easy to have these conversations together with both siblings, and then build up those connection points where you're sitting and playing with them together so that you can see the full picture, and you can both build the skills of your 8-year-old daughter and you can build the skills of your 11-year-old so that they can problem solve together. Because the truth is telling them to go find another friend doesn't actually help them learn how to problem solve when they're met with someone who's communicating in a hurtful way. And then it doesn't help the other person learn how to communicate in a way that other people are going to want to listen to. And so we have to build up those skills and also meet the needs.